All right, so I've been having a blast cooking some super healthy meals super fast. My family's like, how do you cook this so quickly? And I'm going to show you because there's this big misconception that eating healthy, eating clean takes a ton of time, is exhausting. You don't have time to cook for you and your family. I'm literally like cooking for people that like only want like pasta, cheese, and like all the things. And I'm like, well, try it my way. And they're loving it. So let me show you what I'm doing. So I love this broccoli slaw. I'm at Trader Joe's, and I also love getting the shredded cabbage. I like all of the things from the organic section, from the organic peppers. Just these are so fun and easy to create salads. And I'm going to show you what I do with the broccoli slaw. You can cook it cold, or you can saute it in a little olive oil, but I do a broccoli slaw with golden raisins, white onions, and sunflower seeds. And you can add quinoa and it's delicious. I'm going to show you later on, but these are the things to pick up. I also love to get these to snack. The Persian cucumbers, the organic ones, and the organic sugar snap peas are absolutely delicious. And if you're really short on time, get the seasonal, get these things already cut up so you can just saute them for your family without it being an issue. You know, keep it simple, guys. I think there's an immense pressure we put on ourselves that we need to be like Martha Stewart, and it's just not true. I also love to get the beets and the lentils and the already diced white onion, and I'll do a beet, lentil, white onion salad. And then if you do like cheese, I don't do dairy because I cured myself of asthma and have never gone back. But for those of you that do, you can add in some goat cheese or some feta. Another huge, great, the coconut creamer from Trader Joe's. You will not be disappointed. And also the coconut almond creamer. I also love the Caffeia one, but I can say this one's really good. And let me show you why. See the numbers? You've got 5 calories. Look at that, 1 sugar. So this, if you're gonna add creamers, that's a better way to go. Let's look at this one. I mean, not bad. This is pretty on par with Caffeia. So just letting you know, but this one does have more sugar than the Caffeia one. So I would stick with this one if you're looking to really reduce your sugar intake and cleanse your palate and curb your cravings, because once you start with sugar in your diet, you're gonna need and want more sugar. So that's a great way to notice if something you've had is too sweet or too salty, because you'll crave the opposite, craving or more of the same, as opposed to just feeling satisfied. Look at this one. This is just pure sugar. So guys, your coffee can easily just become an absolute weight gaining sugar, sugar laden thing. So just be careful with that. Look at all that. You never want sugar to be in the top 5 ingredients. And right there, what you're seeing is sugar, chocolate syrup, which is more sugar. See how they hit it in parentheses? Cane sugar, cocoa processed. That's all it's just other ways of hiding sugar. And then we'll go down and you'll see sugars listed 3 more times. So stay away from this guy, no matter how much he unless he's going to be a one-time treat, but don't make him a constant if you're looking to really up your health game this month. Now this is great. So you saw with my detox drink, I love organic cinnamon, and here we go. And so especially if you're looking to not spend a ton of money, you know, getting organic seasonings can be a lot. So I love me some cinnamon. I love me some cayenne pepper. So we're gonna throw these in the cart. Generally, my cart, by the way, looks like a farmer's market. I don't eat things that are in boxes. So that's another great way for those of you. And then Himalayan Sea Salt, because first off, I don't have a thyroid. So ever since I took my thyroid, I need like extra salt on everything, which makes sense because it gets regulated. That's a whole other thing. But great seasonings right here. These 2 will speed your metabolism and create a thermogenic effect in the body. This is another peanut butter that I like, and I get this for my family because it has the flax and the cheese seeds. So it's around the same, but it has extra benefits with the omegas, and I like it. And we always want to see, look, there's no sugar listed. Your nut butter should not have sugar listed. It truly should just say peanuts, right? Now this has ground flax and ground chia seeds and some sea salt. But that's generally what you want to go. Now let's look at This one just says dry roasted peanuts. That's a good one. I also like their almond butter. Again, see, it just says raw almonds. That's good. That's what we want. What we don't want, let's see. See this? Roasted peanuts, powdered sugar. A lot of nut butters have that. So really read your ingredients, guys. All right, now for all my moms and those of you that just don't want to live in your kitchen, because I want to eat incredibly healthy and clean, and I love things that taste delicious. I'm Italian. I like cooking's my jam, but I don't want to sit in the kitchen forever. So I'm going to show you these. I love the grilled asparagus. They taste delicious. You can easily put these in the microwave, dust them with a little olive oil, little sea salt, and they're delicious, or bake them in the oven or anything. I even just defrost them and eat them plain. Love them. Honestly, the artichokes, you just want to watch some of these. Like, for instance, let's look at this mix. You might be like, oh, this is so great, right? Now we're going to go down here again, and what you're going to see in the ingredients is that we have sugar listed. Garlic, sugar, black pepper. Like, there's really no reason to have sugar on vegetables, right? And we just want to look at the fat content. So this is something that's better for you just dice and slice on your own and add your own olive oil versus getting this out, right? Let me show you some other ones that I love. The broccoli. Okay, guys, now here we are. The crushed garlic cubes and the ginger. This is my jam. You guys just saw this in my detox drink. This is what I use. I'm not kidding you. I think I use an entire one of these like within 2 days. So now that I've gotten those, and you're gonna see me put like 15 in my cart, because why not? And you can tell other people like them too, because they're all out. All right, let's keep going down here. Oh, my other jam. Rice cauliflower, so easy. So I'm gonna take the rice cauliflower and then I add in the roasted peppers and onions. It's absolutely delicious. Get some chicken, anything else wild, farm raised, organic, and you are good to go. Even this rice cauliflower stir fry, absolutely just so easy, guys. And you can literally take your big frying pan, empty out these content, put the peppers and onions, just again, put a little olive oil in your pan, a coconut oil, put the organic floured riced cauliflower. You can even add in this, this is another good mix, this greens mix. Put some protein on another, in another pan, and go and do whatever you need to do. Come back, stir it around a bit, and you've got a great dinner right there. I love to hit up the frozen fruit aisle. Wild organic blueberries. Where are they? Are these the wild ones? Hold on. Let's go. There they are. Wild organic blueberries are smaller, but they're higher in fiber and antioxidants. So they're a bit better for you, and they're amazing to add into plain Greek yogurt, or your smoothies, or I like to add them into coconut yogurt. Again, I don't personally do dairy, but for those of you that do, and then I stick it in the freezer, and you basically have ice cream. Add in a few strawberries, and some stevia to taste. Good to go. Don't get the tiramisu. We're gonna stay over here. Perfect. Frozen fruit is my jam, and truly it's like a dessert, especially frozen mango and pineapple. Just putting that, and frozen cherries in a cup, letting them slightly defrost, or add a little of that coconut creamer that I showed you earlier, and it is absolutely delicious and almost creates like I said, like a mini ice cream. Now for my seafood lovers like me, I'm ridiculous. This is so good and so easy. You literally thaw it out, rinse it, put it in a pan and let it cook for, I swear, like about 4 minutes. Add some seasonings, a little sea salt and pepper. It is absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. So I'm gonna grab some right now. Let me show you what else. And what I really like is it's wild. So you just want to make sure everything that you're doing is wild or even farm raised. The tilapia, wild caught swordfish, so I can't actually speak to those, but I can speak to the shrimp. And the other thing I can speak to that I just made last night, here it is. And I'm gonna get more of it right now. The wild caught haddock, cooked in under 4 minutes, let it thaw. Put it in a saucepan. Like not know it, like saying the names of pans. Oh, and they've got Atlantic salmon fillets. I just can speak to these because I had them. And it was delicious. Flaky, good texture. I literally just did a little bit of olive oil, sea salt, and pepper to taste. And then I put red pepper flakes on a piece and tried putting a little half of a lemon and some rosemary on another piece. And it just all cooked beautifully. And like I said, I made a dinner for 4 last night in under like 10 minutes. And it was the broccoli, slaw, and cabbage, a fresh salad, and the haddock. Delicious. And of course we're gonna get some avocado because I love it. The other great thing to get at Trader Joe's is their flowers. Amazing. I get them all the time, every week, and they're incredible. And then let's be honest here, it's just a happy place. And there's Christmas music on all the time. All right, guys, I'll see you soon. Let me know, and I will see you when I'm making these dinners. So stay tuned and let me know how this goes for you.